Hold on, hit the brakes. Before you click publish on that Facebook ad, I want to go over 3 super common Facebook ad mistakes that most spiritual entrepreneurs make. These mistakes can cost you huge amounts of time and money and make your ads too expensive to make you any money. Hey, what's up? I'm Antonio Thompson from Antonio Thompson Marketing, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we provide marketing tips for the spiritual business entrepreneur. So if you're a spiritual life coach, holistic nutritionist, or a health practitioner, yoga instructor, tarot or oracle card reader, chakra healer, or Reiki practitioner, etc., this channel is for you. Okay, so let's get started. Mistake number 1, using the wrong campaign objective. Yes, it does matter what campaign objective you use. It's why paid ads on Facebook are so powerful, right? The way it works is you tell Facebook exactly what you want to accomplish with your campaign, and they will go out and optimize your campaign to make sure it's shown to people most likely to take that action to give you that result. So you got to make sure you're clear about your goal. Do you want to send more traffic to your website? Do you want to get more leads? Do you want to get more comments? Do you want more likes and shares? Do you want more video views? Right? Let me show you an example of the objectives that are available to you.
All right, and so here we are in the Ads Manager. I'm going to walk you through the options that are available to you when it comes to selecting your objective. Bear in mind that this may look different for you. I'm going to walk you through 2 different views because I have 2 different ad accounts that look differently. So I'll walk you through the different options here. But if your ad account looks like this and you click on the green button here, click on Create, you'll see Choose Your Campaign Objective. This is where you tell Facebook exactly what you want to accomplish with your Facebook ad campaign. So we've got 3 columns here: awareness, consideration, and conversion, brand awareness. And if you hover over the information circle, it'll tell you exactly what this campaign is for. It's going to show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. You've got reach, right? This is for people to show your ads to the maximum number of people. Then we got consideration here. We got traffic. This is sending people to a website, app, or Facebook event, or let them call you. Engagement. This is to get more likes, page likes, comments, shares, event responses, etc. App installations. This is to get more, show your ad to people who are more likely to download and engage with your app. Video views. Show people video ads, get them to watch your video. Lead generation. This is to use forms to collect information of people who are interested in your business. So this is a form that pops up on Facebook. It pre-populates with their name, email, phone number, and other things you might want to request of them. Messages. This is to get people to message you. So you're going to show an ad to someone to allow them to engage with you in Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram Direct. Then we have the conversion sections, and conversions is about high intent actions. So people who are more likely to take an action on your website, like buying something or also becoming a lead. Catalog sales. This is to target people who are going to, buy things from your catalog. Store traffic. This is to show your ad to people who are most likely to visit your physical store when they're near, right? So these are the various objectives that are available to you. Awareness, brand awareness, reach, consideration, traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages, conversions, catalog sales, and store traffic. So when you're thinking about, what do I want to accomplish with my ad, right? Before you come into the Ads Manager, get crystal clear on what that is. Do you want people to watch your video? Then you would choose video views. Do you want people to go to your website? You would choose traffic. Do you want people to go to your website and then actually buy something? You would choose conversions. Do you want to get messages? You would choose messages. Do you want engagement on your posts, likes, comments, and shares? You would choose engagement, right? Let me go to this other Ads Manager and show you what it looks like if you have this version of Ads Manager. If you click on Create again. So Facebook has simplified the objectives here. You now only have 6. Right, so you have awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. And so very similar to what was in the previous Ads Manager I showed you, but they just simplified the top level. And so awareness, this is good for reach, brand awareness, and video views. Traffic, It's good for link clicks and landing page views, right? You're still sending traffic, sending people to a destination like your website, app, or Facebook event. Engagement, this is still getting likes, comments, and shares. It also is good for video views and messages, it says here. Leads, right? Collecting leads for your business or brand, right? Instant forms, messages, calls, signups. App promotion is still promoting an app, so getting, application installs and events. And sales, right? Sending people to your website to purchase or become a lead. So you got conversions, catalog sales, and messages, okay?
Mistake number 2, sending traffic directly to your homepage. Now, while it may seem like a good idea to send Facebook ad traffic to your website, I personally don't believe it's the best approach for your business, right? Here's why. When spending money on ads, specifically when you're just getting started, you want to be able to measure the impact and your outcomes, right? So when you send Facebook ad traffic to your website homepage, right, there are probably many options and paths the user can take, right? For example, on your homepage, you may have an About Me section, right? A services section, a testimonials section, product section, right? And what typically happens is when the user gets there, there's so many options that they really don't do anything. And so instead of sending traffic directly to your homepage, you want to send them to something specific, right? Maybe it's a blog post if they're just being introduced to your brand for the first time. Maybe it's a free download like a guide or a checklist. If they're people who already know you, maybe they've engaged with you in the past, right? Maybe send them to a product page to buy something specific. But you never want to send traffic directly to your homepage. Mistake number 3, which is probably the most costly of all mistakes: poor audience targeting, right? Did you know Facebook can be super specific when it comes to targeting, right? It's actually what they are famous for, though usually only expert marketers know this. So you gotta niche, right? You wanna do some research on your ideal customer and then tell Facebook, who that is. For example, let's say you want to connect with people interested in yoga, right? Here's what I would do.
From the ads manager, I would go into the audience section to see what's available for targeting. So I click on the 3 dashes here. We also call this the hamburger stack. And I go over to where it says audiences and click on audiences here. And here we are in the audience section. So we're going to go to the left-hand side where it says create audience. Click the drop down and click on saved audiences. And we're going to see what options come up when it comes to yoga. We're going to scroll down and click on where it says detailed targeting. We're going to type in this box here. Just type in yoga. And what you want to do here is look at all of these options here: yoga, yoga pants, hot yoga, yoga journal, right? Now, you don't want to go ahead and just select all of these. You want to make sure that they are relevant to your audience and who you're targeting. So what I would do is take out a notepad and just write down all the different interests here, and then go to Google and see if this is actually where your audience will be hanging out at. Are these the type of keywords and interests that your audience would be connected to?
And so these are not all the mistakes that most spiritual entrepreneurs make when creating their Facebook ads, but they often are the most costly of mistakes. Let me know in the comments what your experience has been with your Facebook ads. Have you made any of these mistakes?